In front of me is HardReset 9, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by clicking on an app that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. To do that using Tricky's navigation, click on this square button. Then select this icon at the top right corner. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. If you wish to scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To move it around, hold the top line and drag it as well. If you wish to turn it into a bubble, click on Home button, and then to access it, tap on the bubble. You can do exactly the same by clicking on this line at the top left corner. To use your app in full screen view, you can drag it all the way down, or use this square at the top left corner. Now to close it, you can turn it into a bubble and drag it to remove section at the bottom, or use this X at the top right corner. If you want to use more options of pop-up view, you can click on the top line and try all of those, like split screen. Lastly, if you want to, you can also make your window really tiny by holding the lower line and dragging it all the way up. And then always access it by clicking on the tiny window located in one of your device's corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!